Okay, welcome to this training. You can actually make use of ChatGPT or AI to generate thumbnails, and it makes it easy. And I just did. Okay, and it's very simple. Just make sure you give ChatGPT your content, the description of your video, and then based on that, request that it generates the actual thumbnail based on the video. And I just did that on a video I created, and I have ChatGPT generated the actual thumbnail, and that's it. So all I do, I just to download it. I'm going to download it now. Okay, I've actually downloaded it. There's a download option. If you go to download, I just downloaded it. So this is the video. I want to apply the thumbnail. I'll just go to edit the video, and upload it. Go to download and upload. Okay, it said file is bigger than 2 MB. I only requested that it generates the thumbnail. I did not specify the file format. That's why it goes on PNG, which is a larger file. I would have specified to generate thumbnail on JPEG format, and it will do exactly that. If it gives me this is bigger than 2 MB, so I'm going to edit this video, reduce the size, simply resaving it. I'll just resave the file. So I put it inside the Adobe Fireworks. I'll just paste it there and then resave it. You can say save as. Okay, I'm resaving it now as JPEG. To save it as edit video and say save as. Now if you go and check it now, if you check it now, the size is 107 KB, very small compared to the one you have before. It's 107 KB, you can see it, and the dimension is 1280 by 720. Okay, compared to the one you have before, which is 2 MB. So the difference is clear. So if you try download it now, it will go. So let me go and download it again. Say download. Okay, that's it. Open. That's fitting perfectly. Okay, so I can now save my work. And then make it public. And save. This is how to generate thumbnail using your ChatGPT. I would like your comment at the comment section.